Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix notifications now working on iOS 18.1.1. If your notifications are now working on iOS 18, you could try following these solutions. So first of all, go ahead to the settings, right? To the main settings, and make sure that you check notification settings. Scroll a little bit down, click the notifications, and make sure that you allow the notifications for most apps, right? And make sure that allow notifications is enabled, right, in this section, okay? In notification style, you're gonna be able right here to see basically the apps, and if you allow the notifications for all apps, okay? And also check if banners, sounds, and badges are set up correctly, right? So right here, announce notifications, make sure that you allow that, and all that, the headphones and reply with without confirmation, right? So make sure that you allow the notifications. Verify focus or do not disturb mode. Ensure that the focus mode or do not disturb mode isn't available, right, or enabled. You can check in the settings, right, and then select the focus, right, and make sure right here, as you can see, I allowed or I turned on the do not disturb mode. This is automatic, but you could go to the do not disturb mode, right? And as you can see right here, smart activation, I can just go ahead and toggle this one off so I can receive notifications, and that should fix your problem. If the problem still persists, restart your device. Swipe down to your control center, just click the shutdown icon at the top right, and basically long hold the right thumb to reopen it again. As often, restarting your iPhone resolves temporary glitches that may cause notifications to malfunction, right? Make sure that you update your software, right? Check for any iOS update, go to the general software update, and install any pending updates to address potential bugs, all right? And make sure that you enable the background app refreshing. Go to the settings, general, and then scroll a bit down to the background app refresh. And as you can see right here, I toggle this one off. Because I turned on the low power mode. Okay, you're gonna see right here, it's on, right? And it's enabled for Wi-Fi or cellular data. Make sure that you allow it for Wi-Fi and cellular data, and for specific apps. Okay. Next, what you're gonna do, you need to check the in-app notification settings. As we said before, you can go ahead to the main settings, go to the notifications, select each app right from here, right, and make sure that you allow notifications. Some apps have their own notification settings, okay? And turn off low power or low data mode. From here, from the control center, you can swipe down, make sure that you just shut down the low power mode, and that should fix your problem. And as for low data mode, you can just go back to the main settings, swipe up, or just stay on the cellular, okay? Click the cellular, and basically you're gonna be able right here to see the options, and make sure that you turn off the low data mode for uninterrupted notifications, okay? Lastly, what you're gonna do, we're gonna reinstall the affected apps. You can just hold the apps from here, the app specific app, and then click remove, delete, and download the app again and log in with your credentials. And you can go to the settings, right, and go to the general, scroll a little bit down to transfer or reset iPhone, click right here, click reset, and basically you're gonna select reset all settings. This won't delete your data, but will reset system configurations. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.